The next one we're going to do is move a mini excavator. So I have this done. On in. On this one, same thing. Yeah, put your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt on. There we go. All right, so mini excavator. Big key, obviously. And find a key slot for it. And this one is. Where are you at, dude? There it is. Okay, so start it up. Alright, so now we're running. In order to move this one, you gotta go on the left side here. With controls. Alright, so you got this thing down here, you have to push that down and lock it. Now that's locked, you have access to all these controls down here. Don't really mess with all those unless you need to. They like their settings. So what we do is there's a back blade, which would move, that moves the back blade, and then the front blade, switch it over, and it also moves the front blade. You see the front blade down there. When you're hauling them, you should have that down, but I only had to go about a quarter mile, so got that. Then we'll pick up that with this joystick here, pull that back, and it raises that up a little bit. Okay, and then you take these two right here, and they go straight back. You want to go straight back, push them both at the same time. You don't want to move one or the other, because if you move one, it's going to turn on you. That would screw you over. Let's get off this boat here. Okay, now that we're off, now if you want to go, when you push one, you're going to obviously move like that, see? How you turn. You just got to figure out which ones do what. One turn that way, that way. See what I mean? It's hard to say and tell you, but keep that, you want to keep that boom in close to you too, because if you have it out, the weight changes, and when you're going down hills and stuff, it's not fun because you feel like you're going to tip over. But what we're going to do here is park this thing back here. Now we got traffic, so it's going to be a difficult turn here. So you want to be careful. You know what I mean? Traffic. So we're gonna do this. Try some more. Let's suck that in more if I can. Actually, I'll move it back. There we go. Okay. I'll do this swing route. You know what? I think I'll leave this one parked up here.